You see, when I was a child, I was very curious about electricity. I always use the switch of the lights, turning it on and turning it off. I also tried to see how the refrigerator lights turn on and turn off when you open it. How? What? By that, I was amazed on how electricity really works. Out of curiosity, I tried experimenting, trying to connect the positive and negative wires. Phew! That was electrocutingly amazing!
Sana all.
When I grow up, I saw the potential and importance of electricity in our lives. Because of electricity, we have powered the improvement of human society. That made me realize to pursue electrical engineering as my profession because I have seen great potential to improve my life and the lives of others. That's 1 minute. See you again next time.